Hi guys, this video is to show you how to get into Home Access to check your grades and find out what work you are missing. So first you're going to go to the Reading School District homepage, which is just readingsd.org. Up at the top of the page in the banner, you will look for the Families tab. Under that tab, you are looking for Grades, Home Access. When you click on that, it takes you to this Home Access login page where you will enter your username, which is your 6-digit student ID at students.readingsd.org. And then your password, which is your full birth date. So that means 2-digit month / 2-digit day / 4-digit year. Click sign in. And this is what you will see at first. It just looks like your schedule. However, up at the top, there are these different buttons you can click. So if you click grades, all it will show you is your interim and your report card. If you want to see how you are actually doing on individual assignments, you need to click this middle one that says classes. Once you do that, you will see that it's broken down into the different classes you have. So this student has walking, American literature, world studies, honors geometry, earth systems, sports and entertainment marketing, intro to art. They are all separate. But you can also see that you can't really scroll within the classes here. They're just listed and you can only see as much as is on this page. To get to the full list of the assignments for each class, you have to come over here and click on Full View. When you do that, it gives you more information. So you can see now how the points break down in different categories, what percentage you got on certain assignments, and the course overall average. So if you want to know what you have as a whole, that will tell you. So my class is American Literature. So if you wanted to know how you were doing in my class, you could scroll down to American Literature. When you look in the grade book, the things that you are looking at here, really, you have to look at score and total points. Beyond this column, like the weight and weighted score and all that, doesn't really matter. If you're looking to see what you are missing, if there is an entry in the gradebook and your score column is blank, that means I do not have that assignment from you. So this first one, annotating an argument essay, right? You can see it's a class participation grade. It's worth 10 points. There is a blank score. That means this person has not turned that in yet. Same thing down here, right? The argument quiz, it's an assessment grade out of 11 points. Blank score means that this person has not yet taken that quiz. So until you take these blanks get figured into your average as a 0. When I replace them with a number, it will make your grade go up. You want to try to eliminate all blanks, especially before interims and the end of the quarter. So to figure out what your whole grade is, you would look down here where it says course overall average. So right now, with all those zeros for the blanks, this person has a 57.9, which is an F. However, if they would choose to make up those blanks, and I put points in for them, this could only go up. So I hope that was helpful. If you have more questions about how exactly this works or specific things that are in your grade book, please contact me either on Remind, through the Meet chat, however you want to get a hold of me to make sure we have everything squared away before interims go out.